Here's some news you might have missed if you're not reading the Business Courier online every day. The landlord of the bank's development is suing Toby Keith's I Love This Bar and Grill for not paying rent since November 2012. The base rent for the 16,000 square foot space, just over 40 grand a month. Toby Keith's was the first retail tenant announced at the banks. An attorney for Toby Keith says the company is placed rent in escrow because the landlord violated a lease clause promising it would not recruit competing venues to the Cincinnati riverfront. Cincinnati-based Kroger may be expanding. A web-based financial publication that tracks mergers and acquisitions reports Kroger may be a likely buyer of North Carolina-based grocery chain Harris Teeter Supermarkets. The chain has about 200 stores along the East Coast from Florida to Delaware. Kroger is not commenting. Kroger has more than 2,400 stores in 31 states. It doesn't have any stores in Florida, Maryland, or Delaware. In the market for a Benz, a Cleveland-based auto dealer broke ground last week and is expected to invest more than $15 million into a Mercedes-Benz dealership in Fort Mitchell at Dixie Highway and I-75. The dealership will reportedly add more than 70 jobs and bring almost $5 million in direct tax revenue over the next 10 years. The dealership will be state-of-the-art and the only facility in the country completely illuminated by LED lights. It is scheduled to open in October of 2013, so I have time to save some money.